The HPAT journey is about nourishing people, and it's built on very carefully thought through process. It starts with identifying potential talents and thought through discussion and a 10-step approach for recruitment. We ensure a seamless transition by providing safe accommodation, nutrition meals, education fees, and supportive environment that allow them to focus entirely on learning. Both technical and practical training is carried out, combining classroom learning, hands-on experience, on-the-floor learnings. Alongside, we support their continued education, ensuring they grow not just as workers, but as well-groomed professionals. We continuously monitoring them through day-to-day interaction with them, day-to-day meetings, and it is not just a one-time program. It's a continuous program, and we are here and happy to build tomorrow's generation.
I would like to thank Newen Systems for giving me such wonderful opportunity and hands-on experience that I never imagined. I feel fully supported in my growth and I am going in right direction in my career.
At Newen Systems, I received incredible experience and wonderful opportunities. With Newen Systems support, I know I am on the right track and I feel confident that my career path is exactly where it should be. Thank you.